All right, guys, this is 5:30. Let us start our class there then. So yesterday we talked about magnetic field because of finite current carrying wire, right? Finite straight current carrying wire. Then we talked about infinitesimally, like infinite current carrying wire, a long current carrying wire, semi-infinite current carrying wire, right? Today we'll tell me how the magnetic field lines will be there for a long current carrying wire. How will you see, how will you observe, how will you find the magnetic field lines for long current carrying wire? What will be the shape? कैसा रहेगा बच्चा, बताइए जल्दी से. They'll be in the form of concentric circles. They'll be in the form of concentric circles. So if this is, let's say, let me draw this. Consider this is the direction of current. This is the direction of current. The current is going into the plane. So there is a long wire. Okay, there is a long wire which is perpendicular to this plane, and direction of current is what? Into the plane. So current is going into the plane. Tell me how the magnetic field lines will look like here. You'll get concentric circles. So circle yahan rahega, where the center will be on the, one circle will be here. बहुत सारे circles आप बना सकते हो. You can draw infinite number of circles at for each and every point you can draw. All right, let me show it here. Now let me erase this part. All right, ठीक है. What will be the direction, guys? Tell me what will be the direction of magnetic field lines on the circle. So कैसे करेंगे? Direct your right hand thumb along the direction of current. Then curl your right hand fingers. When you curl the right hand finger, the sense of curling will give you the direction of magnetic field here. So what is the sense of curling? If thumb will be into the plane, if thumb is into the plane, you can only curl in this direction, right? Fingers will be curled in this direction. So the direction of magnetic field lines will be like this. If I ask you what is the direction of magnetic field line here, then how will you find that? Draw a tangent at this point along the sense of direction of curling. What will be the direction of magnetic field lines at this point? Draw a tangent at this point along the sense of curl. So it is the direction. So if let me draw some sample directions. At this point, it will be tangential like this. At this point, it will be in this way. This point, it will be in this way. So these are the directions of magnetic field lines. Okay? If you draw a magnetic field line here, it will look like this. Just draw a tangent at that point, but the direction will be along the sense of curling. Same goes for here. Let me draw it here. All right, guys, these are the magnetic field lines. Okay? So wherever you want to find the magnetic direction of magnetic field lines, just draw the tangent on that circle. If this is the same diagram you're going to have, if everything is same, only difference is, let's say, let me draw this. Only difference is, let's say, the direction of current is what? Out of the plane. If direction of current is out of the plane, then what will change, bachcha log? Then this direction will change. All right, this will change, and now this will be anti-clockwise. This will be anti-clockwise. So at each and every point, if you want to draw the direction of magnetic field line, it will look like this. So draw the tangent here, draw the tangent here. So please, guys, try to remember this part. All right, don't forget this. Whenever you are going to, whenever you'll be asked like question like this, direction of magnetic field lines, because of long current carrying wire, you have to use this concept. All right, kuch to show raha hai. Let me move it here a little bit. Yeah, all right. However, this doesn't look like a tangent. Okay, no problem. Let me touch it here. So these are some sample directions of magnetic field lines due to long current carrying wire. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. Now let me ask you, let us now move on to magnetic field due to circular current carrying wire. Circular current carrying wire. Tell me what is the magnitude of magnetic field because of circular current carrying wire on its axis or at an axial position. So what is the formula that we have studied? If this is a circular current carrying wire, if I define this is the axis of this, let's say this is that point P I'm talking about, and the distance of this point P from the center of this is, let's say, A or D or R, कुछ भी. तो बोलो बच्चा लोग, what is the magnitude of B at P? We have derived this part. याद करो, in boards class we have derived this part. Tell me what is the value of B at P? और बड़ा लिखना है क्या? Tell me guys, what will be the value of magnetic field at point P? अच्छा, बहुत बड़ा लिखना है. Okay, no, don't worry. Just verify this. क्या लिखते हैं? Mu naught I by 2 into R square divided by R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2. Verify your answer. Yeah, formula was big. No problem. Guys, did you remember this part? The magnetic field because of a circular current carrying wire at an axial position will be mu naught I by 2 into R square divided by R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2. बहुत important है, याद करना. What will be the value for B at the center, guys? We have already derived this part. So mu naught I divided by 2 into R. Correct hai? All right. And what will be the direction of magnetic field if direction here is, let's say, in this direction? Tell me, what will be the direction of magnetic field at this point P? Towards the center or away from the center? It will be towards the center. How do you get that? Direct your right hand fingers along the, or curl your right hand fingers along the direction of current. Thumb will give you the direction of magnetic field in this case. Correct hai? So curl along the current. Curl kiya, kidhar mila? Towards the center. So this will be the direction of magnetic field line. All right. Ye hua magnetic field. What about this point? Here also it will be in this direction. This is how the magnetic field direction will look like. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. अच्छा, tell me how will you get the magnetic field lines for a circular current carrying wire? कैसा मिलेगा आपको? How you are going to get the magnetic field lines for circular current carrying wire? So let me first define the axis of this. ठीक है? So let's say this is the axis. This is the axis. थोड़ा ऊपर कर लो इसको. All right. So if the direction of current is like this, let me use an yellow color here. ऐसा. तो field lines will come from this side like this. ठीक है ना? अच्छा, what about the direction of magnetic field lines at other places? This is to along the axis. What about the other points? So first of all, you should understand this concept that to find the magnetic field lines at a point which is not on the axis is very, very tough to calculate. ठीक है? पहला बात क्या है चलो? To calculate the magnetic field lines at any other point apart from or at any point which is not on the axis, it's very difficult to calculate. That is why we don't calculate. ठीक है? To calculate it numerically with the help of calculus and all, it's very difficult. So this is like beyond your scope, beyond your syllabus. So that is why we don't derive magnetic field lines or magnitude of magnetic field at any other point apart from points on the axis. Did I ask you what is magnetic field line here, or the magnitude of magnetic field here, or here, or here? I can't get that answer. Derivation will be very, very tough. ठीक है? तो हमारे स्कोप में नहीं है, वो हम लोग नहीं करते हैं. But direction of magnetic field lines you can derive. Sorry, you can get that. So how does the magnetic field lines look like? So देखिए कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं. So here it will look like this. It will enter from this side. It will enter from this side like this. यहाँ से आएगा and here you'll get a circular form like this. ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा. ठीक है बच्चा लोग, तो इसको प्लीज समझना अच्छे से. It will look like this. All right guys, so it will enter here. Okay, उल्टा होगा. This will enter here. Yeah, correct है, no problem. Same goes to this side. It will look like this. Let me make a circle here. Okay, done. So it should actually look like this. What about the left hand side? Left hand side mein you are going to get a condition like this. It will come out so this is how the magnetic field lines will look like for a circular current carrying wire. What will be the direction? It will be in this direction. It will come here. All right guys, please try to remember this diagram. This is how the magnetic field lines for a circular current carrying wire will look like this. Yeah, it looks like an insect. See, if I reverse the direction of current, aisa. If I reverse the direction of current, then what will happen? Only these arrows will change. That's it. ठीक है बच्चा लोग, तो इस तरीके से वो सर्कल देखो. This is also part of circle, गणेश. This is also part of a circle, but radius is बहुत बड़ा, big. ऐसे करके यहाँ से आएगा. This is also part of circle, so radius is big here. समझ में आ रही है बात? Radius is big here, but here if you will come to this point, the circular will be in this way. Spider जैसा लग रहा है. It might look like this. Just imagine a circle. किसी के पास रिंग है? मेरे पास, मैं हर बार भूल जाता हूँ रिंग अपने पास रखना. Think about having a ring like this. ये हाथ में जो पहनते हैं ना चूड़ी. Imagine कि at these corners, at the peripheries, ऐसे ऐसा सर्कल बना हुआ है, गोल चारों तरफ ऐसा ऐसा गोल बना हुआ है. So at the periphery you'll get circular like this. As you'll go towards the center, the radius of circle will increase. Once you'll come at the center, radius of circle will be infinite. So it will look like a straight line. Got it, Ganesh? This is how the magnetic field lines will look like if you see the circular ring from this side, from this side. Circular ring लिया ऐसे आपने और उसको इधर देखो, ऐसा देखो. And you look at from this side. So these magnetic field lines will look like this. All right? बहुत बढ़िया. So guys, please remember this. This is what magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines for circular current carrying wire. You'll find this diagram in most of the books. सब book में मिल जाएगा आपको. ठीक है, घबराने की बात नहीं. अच्छा, if you have a, let's say, an arc. If you have an, let's say, arc. इसको ऐसे यहाँ से join करो, इसको यहाँ से join करो. If this angle is theta and current through this is, let's say, I, and these are what? These are not the wire. These are what? Dotted lines. Just for the sake of representation, I have drawn that line. Now tell me, if radius is R, if this is the center O, what will be the B at center? Tell me what will be the value for B at the center. तो formula क्या होता है बच्चा लोग? Mu naught I by 4 pi R into theta. But theta should be in terms of radian. We have already understood this, right? theta should be in terms of radian. Please remember this formula. Derivation is not required for you guys, so please I can derive this, बहुत आसान है. Derivation is also very easy, but that derivation is not required for you guys. Derive भी कर सकते हो, कोई issue नहीं है. See, take one छोटा सा dl here. All right, find the magnetic field at this point because of that, and then integrate this all over this part. You'll get the answer. ठीक है, that is very very easy. आराम से कर सकते हो. Just try, consider that as an assignment and try to derive this. You can आराम से derive that part. So consider छोटा सा dl element here. That dl will be written in terms of r d theta. ठीक है, consider at an angle of कुछ भी, at an angle of phi there is a small element. This is phi. This angle is d phi. So this dl will be written as r d phi. ठीक है, not unitary method. You can do that by unitary method also. You can do that because of a circle, magnetic field was mu naught I by 2r. So because of this, using unitary method you can get that, no problem. Because of these rest of the part, ये जो बाकी का circle का part है, these magnetic field lines are not there. So because of this, what will the answer? You can get that answer, no problem. But calculus say Biot-Savart's law can also give you that derivation, no problem. ठीक है, so because of semicircle, what will be the answer? बोलो बच्चा लोग, because of semicircle, what will be the answer? So if this is the semicircular part, this is the center, so in this case B at the center will be theta. क्या हो जाएगा बच्चा लोग? Theta will be pi here. तो mu naught I by 4 pi r. ठीक है. Now you know some basic formulas and all. Based on those formulas, we have to solve some numericals. So try to answer these questions, guys. First of all, let me draw this. एक बना, then दूसरा बना. Erase करो इसको. Join this. थोड़ा गड़बड़ लग रहा है. Move it a little bit upward. And then erase these parts. All right, guys. This is point O. Current I. Same current will flow here. This radius is R. And this radius is 2r. Find B at O. For all the cases, I'm going to draw multiple cases here. The question for all of them is what? Find B at O with the direction. ठीक है? No, I have not done this. Pritesh, miss कर रहे हो तो. मैंने कुछ और किया था, याद करो. There the conditions were different. So now the question is like this. एक circle यहाँ रहा. Then there's one more circle. Come on, guys, give the answers. चलो ये हुआ. Delete this part. And now current will move in this direction. This is the center. This is the radius. This radius is again 2r. And this is r. The current will flow like this, current I. And this is point O. Center is the point O. ठीक है? चलो बच्चों, जल्दी से आंसर करो दोनों का. What will be the answer for this one? First case. What will be the answer for first case? Ganesh has answered. What about others? Just use the formula and get the answer. And use the direction also. Without direction, you can't find the answer. Okay, Rohit has given the answer for direction. Ruchi Raj has answered. Pratish has answered. Baswaraj. All right. Pratish, Mohit, Avinash. Bolo bachalo, what will be the magnetic field because of this part? Direction of magnetic field lines. Kya hoga? Into the plane, out of the plane. Because of this, into the plane, out of the plane. First one with the radius capital R. It will be into the plane or out of the plane. It will be out of the plane, correct? Curl your right hand fingers like this. So thumb will be what? Out of the plane. What about the bigger one? What will be the direction of magnetic field lines because of the bigger one? It will be into the plane. That means direction of magnetic field lines because of these two semicircular current carrying wire will be opposite to each other. So what will be the net magnetic field? If I name this as element 1, this as element 2, I can directly write B1 minus B2. Why did I write B1 minus B2? Because I can say B1 will be greater than B2. Why? Because radius of first part is smaller than the radius of second part. And we know that magnetic field line due to this current carrying arrangement will be inversely proportional to the radius. So if radius is more, the magnetic field line strength will be less. All right. B1. Tell me the value of B1. So mu naught I divided by, this is semicircle. So 4 pi capital R minus, what is B2? So mu naught I divided by 4 pi into 2R. So I can take 4 pi R as constant. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, right? So answer will be mu naught I by 8 pi R. Alright guys, how many of you have got this answer? Few of you were saying 3 mu naught by kuch to 8 pi R. They were wrong. This is the correct answer. ठीक है बच्चा लोग? Tell me the answer for second case. This one. What is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? Magnitude is same. Are you sure? Ritesh, भांग का असर हो रहा है बच्चा. Think properly. Will magnitude will remain same? अच्छा. Here what is the direction बच्चा लोग? Here what is the direction? किसका magnitude ज्यादा है? Magnitude of this is what? Greater. So the direction because of this is what? Out. So it will be out of the plane. ठीक है? Very good. Keep it up. बहुत बढ़िया. इसका आंसर करो. So I've got some answers here. No, pi will not be there. I think I have committed mistake here. Pi will not be there. In terms of circle, pi will not be there. Sorry. It's my bad. Here pi will not be there. All right, guys. So few answers have been there. Yeah, correct. Pi will not be there. 3 times first one dot. Okay, come out of the plane. Same as previous. All right. Let us see. Dekho. If I again consider this as the first element and this as the second element. Tell me what is the direction of magnetic field because of this first element? Yes, Gauri, correct. Most of you have got the correct answer. It will be into the plane. Curl your right hand fingers along this direction. How can you curl it? When thumb will be into the plane. Curl because of second one. Curl your right hand fingers along this direction. What will be the direction of thumb? Into the plane. Can I say that? Because of both of them, because of both the elements, the direction of magnetic field is what? Into the plane. So net magnetic field will be equal to B1 plus B2 and that will be into the plane. Get the answer? Mu naught I by 4R plus mu naught I by 4 into 2R. If I take mu naught I by 4R out, I'll get 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. So I'll get 3 mu naught I by 4 into 2, 8, so 8R. ठीक है? Very good. चलिए तो दूसरा सवाल करते हैं. Let us move on to next question here. If this is a question and let me move it here. Direction of current is in this way. All right. Like this. Consider this space is very, very small. Consider this is what? Very small space. There actually, this space is very, very small. Current will come here, will come out of here, come out of here. All right. This is the center. Radius of this is capital R. Radius of this is capital R. Then again, point O. Find B at O. Find B at O. बोलो बच्चा लोग, आंसर करो. Here, how many elements do we need to consider? What are those elements which will contribute to the magnetic field lines or to the magnitude of magnetic field? 3, correct? Yeah. ठीक है बच्चा लोग. Get the answer for this. Current is I. You can assume current is I. coming into the loop, out of the loop. Same current will flow, so I. बोलो बच्चा लोग, आंसर कैसे निकालोगे? जल्दी से करो. Direction of bees into the plane. All right, let us see. I don't think so. देखते हैं. Let us see. Get your answers and once I'll discuss it, verify it. ठीक है? Are you sure, Shreya, that all of them will be added? For all of them to be added, magnetic field because of each one of the elements should be in the same direction. Are you sure that they will be in the same direction? Should I solve this or you need more time? Solve करें? Okay, few of you have answered. Very good. Keep it up. Shreya, Jagruti, Mohit. देखो solve करते हैं. Again, I'm going to name them. Let's say this is the first element, this is the second element, and this is the third element. This is the third element. Tell me what is the direction of magnetic field because of first element. B1 का direction क्या है? जल्दी से बताओ. I have given you two methods to do that. I have given you two methods. पहला क्या है? Direct your thumb along the direction of current and curl your right hand finger. So you'll get concentric circle, draw the tangent, get the answer. Second method is what? Direct your right hand fingers along the direction of current in such a way that the palm should be facing towards the point, or palm should be facing towards the R value, distance value, matlab position vector value. So if this is the direction of current, so fingers should be in this direction. Where is the point? This is the point. So palm should be facing in this way. ठीक है? ऐसे करोगे ना? Alright guys. So palm should be facing in that direction. R इसी तरीके से है. So what will be the direction of R in that case? Thumb will give you the direction of R. तो thumb कैसा होगा? ऊपर की ओर. So out of the plane. What about this one? Again, direction of current is what? Here. Palm should be facing in this direction. So thumb will what? Out of the plane. So because of 1 and 3, out of the plane will be the direction. Acha, what about this second part? What will be the direction of second part? Bolo bachcha log. What will be the direction of second part? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Or into the plane or out of the plane? Into the plane, right? Curl your right hand fingers along the, because circular में ऐसे ही होता है, in circular current carrying wire, curl your right hand fingers along the direction of current. Thumb will give you the direction of magnetic field. So this is the curling. Curl your right hand fingers along this direction. Thumb will give you the direction of magnetic field, that is into the plane. Now can I say I have got two same directions, one opposite direction. So what will be the magnetic field? You have to find which one of them is greater, which one of them is larger. Sorry, smaller. So let us find out the magnitudes. All right. Magnitude of B1. बताओ कितना है बच्चा लोग? Can I say this is semi-infinite wire? This is what? Semi-infinite wire. This end is not known. This end is known to us. इसके just ऊपर में है. So what is the answer? Mu naught I by 4 pi D. So mu naught I divided by 4 pi. What is the distance of point from the current carrying wire? R, the capital R. Same goes for B3. Semi-infinite wire. One of the end. Mu naught I by 4 pi R. What will be the value for magnetic field due to second part? Second element. Tell me बच्चा लोग. B2. तो B2 क्या मिलेगा? Mu naught I by 2R. Now tell me, you have to add these two and subtract this one. Which one of them will be greater? These two accumulation, like addition of this one will be greater or this one will be greater. So this is mu naught I by 2 pi R. This is mu naught I by 2R. This pi is extra in the denominator. So this one will be smaller. So this one will be larger. ये चंगू मंगू कहां से आया रे? राम लखन, हु इज दिस गाय? हु आर दे आर ट्विंस क्या मोनिशा? So summation of these two will be lesser than B2. So I'll say magnetic field at O will be B2 minus B1 plus B2. What will be the direction? Direction of magnetic field will be along the stronger field. Stronger is B2, so into the plane. ठीक है बच्चा लोग, तो मिलेगा आपको म्यू नॉट I by 2R minus mu naught I by 2 pi r. So final answer will be mu naught I by 2r into 1 minus 1 by pi, and the direction will be into the plane. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. बच्चा लोग click yes if you have understood this. अजय, वही काम तो किया ना हमने, सेमी इनफिनाइट के लिए वही तो करते हैं ना बच्चा। ठीक है बच्चा, तो अभी हम दूसरा एक सवाल करते हैं सर्कल से रिलेटेड। नाउ लेट मी अगेन अज्यूम द सेम काइंड ऑफ सर्कल हियर, सेम करंट कैरिंग वायर हियर। थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है। डिफरेंस क्या है? लाइक दिस, लेट मी मेक इट थोड़ा सा नीचे। like this. Guys, did you understand the condition here? Rotation का क्लास याद आ रहा है? Guys, are you okay with the diagram here? Let's say current is coming from this side and exiting out of it, and this is radius capital R, this is I, this point is O, and the question remains same, magnetic field at point O. Find BO. जल्दी से आंसर करो। वेरी गुड गोकुल, गोकुल ने आंसर किया, and I think that is correct. I think that is correct also. रुचि, I think गलत हो गया। कल्पा, direction is I think correct. First of all, decide what will be the direction of magnetic field, what will be the direction of current in the circular loop. जो सर्कल बन रहा है ना, उसमें डायरेक्शन क्या होगा? फर्स्ट यू शुड फाइंड दैट। यस मोहित, करेक्ट है। रोहित गलत हो गया बच्चा। गणेश, आई थिंक करेक्ट। अरे म्यू को MUW लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, यू कैन राइट U ओनली, ऑलराइट, नो प्रॉब्लम। यस गौरी, आई थिंक डायरेक्शन इज करेक्ट। Tell me guys, what will be the direction of magnetic field, direction of current in the circular loop? Circle में क्या होगा direction of current? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Direction of current. I'm not talking about the magnetic field lines. I'm talking about direction of current in the circular loop. It will be clockwise or anti-clockwise? It will be anti-clockwise, right? कैसे जाएगा? So current will enter from this side and then go in this direction and come back like this. It will enter like this, follow this path, and then come back like this. So it will be anti-clockwise. This is the I value. Now I think this is simpler, right? I know the magnitude because of all the elements. Now the direction has been reversed. The current direction in circular part has been reversed. So direction of magnetic field in the circular part will be reversed. Initially it was into the plane, so now it will be out of the plane. Because of circular part, it was into the plane, so now it will be out of the plane, है ना? ऐसे circle को, so out of the plane. So what will be the B naught here? It will be, final answer लिख देता हूँ मैं, mu naught I by 2R into 1 plus 1 by pi out of the plane. Guys, did you understand this? Do you have any doubt in this one? Let me know. Guys, click yes if you have understood till this point. अभी तक जो समझ में आया तो click yes. गौरी, क्या नहीं समझ में आया बच्चा? Gauri, which part you didn't understand? Saksha, what is direction of magnetic field lines because of this circular part? No, it is not finite. If it would have been finite, Ruchiras, then I would have given you the length, na? Tell me, Saksha and Gauri, what is the direction of magnetic field lines because of this circular current carrying wire? You have answered previously. Tell me. Then you got the answer. Because of this also out of the plane, because of this also out of the plane, because of this also out of the plane. All of them are having the same direction. So we need to add them instead of subtracting them. Simply add. Because of this, this is outward. Because of this, this is outward. Because of this also, this is outward. Simply add them. Put the value and get the answer. Yes, Sanat. Put the value and get the answer. Just add them. Instead of subtracting, you need to add them. Because we have added B1 and B3. We have subtracted B2 because this was into the plane. Now this is also out of the plane. So B1 plus B2 plus B3. So B1 plus B3 was this one. Sorry, this is what? B3 ना? यहाँ पे कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. B2 को मैंने subtract किया है. It should be B1, B3 होना चाहिए. This should be B3. All right? ठीक है. Connection is something different. अरे connection तो different है तभी तो उल्टा हुआ ना. गौरी क्या प्रॉब्लम है यार? I can't understand कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है यहाँ पे. Connection different हुआ. That is why direction has been reversed ना. Before that, current was not moving here. Current was coming like this. Now current is coming like this. क्या इशू है इसमें? I can't explain much simpler than this. इसमें क्या इशू है यार? Initially current was coming like this बच्चा. यहाँ से ऐसे गया and then like this. Now current is going like this. So in these straight wires, everything is same. There is a change in circular wire only. Before the direction was clockwise, now the direction is anti-clockwise. So direction will change. अभी समझ में आया? Guys, let me know if you have understood this. अभी नहीं तो फिर से समझाता हूँ मैं. I thought कि I'll skip this part. I'll आगे बढ़ेंगे because this is the same. This is having the same condition, same arrangement. This has taken more than the stipulated time. No problem. चलो ठीक है, कोई इश्यू नहीं. अगला सवाल देखते हैं. Let us move on to next question. So I think कल किसी ने question एक पूछा था. Let me solve that. On WhatsApp, I don't know the name, but yeah, किसी ने तो एक question पूछा था. Consider this is a semicircle, all right? Consider this is a semicircle. And this is straight wire. This is straight wire. This is the center. Current I can't come like this. Current I. Radius is capital R. ठीक है? This is point O. B at O will be equal to what? Same question. What will be the magnetic field at point O? निकालो बच्चा लोग. श्रेया has answered. श्रेया good in. Then गणेश ने आंसर किया है. किसने क्वेश्चन पूछा था ये कल? I think one of you have asked this. किसी ने तो पूछा था. ओके, श्रेया ने पूछा था. ऑल राइट, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. बाकी लोग जल्दी आंसर करो. Guys, have you drawn this diagram? I'm considering you have drawn this diagram. Let me ask you one more question here. Copy and then paste, and now this is the current. Yeah, so what is the answer for this one? गलत है गणेश, देखते हैं. I don't know, I didn't say you are correct. Yeah, if nothing is mentioned here बच्चा, if nothing is mentioned, length क्या है, that means you have to consider this is what, this is like the end is not known to you. So this is semi infinite wire. This end is known to us, but this end is not known to us. This end is not known to us. चलो solve करें फिर. Let us solve this. So three elements, 1, 2, 3, correct? Direction of magnetic field line, let me name them 1, 2 and 3. Tell me the direction of B1. बोलो चलो, B1 का डायरेक्शन क्या है? Into the plane, out of the plane. Direction of B1 into the plane, out of the plane. Into the plane. Correct है, very good. Everybody has said into the plane. What is the direction of B2? Into the plane, out of the plane. Direction of B2 out होगा, are you sure? Tell me what is the direction of, खुद से करो बच्चा, सनत खुद से करो. I have not explained anything. I have just get the answer from you guys, and I have verified that that is correct. Tell me guys, what is the direction of magnetic field lines because of second part? Everybody has told into the plane, correct? Curl your right hand fingers like this. Thumb will be into the plane. Into the plane. ठीक है? Very good. B1 will be out of the plane. Pritesh, भांग 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 आए रे भांग. फिंगर्स ऐसा करने का. सना देखो रे, एक का आउट आया तब बता रहा हूं मैं. इधर आया क्या? फिंगर्स. ठीक है? Where will be the palm? Palm should be facing which side? करके दिखा. तेरा उल्टा हो गया क्या palm का फेस? Left यूज कर रहा है क्या? Are you using left hand? This should be the finger, this should be the palm. What will be the direction? Into the plane, right? ठीक है. What about this one? It should be the finger and the palm should be facing this side. Correct है ना? Like this. तो thumb कहाँ है? Into. नीचे है ना? So B3 is also into the plane. So because of all those elements, direction क्या मिला? Into मिला क्या? मिला ना? Direction is क्या? What? Into the plane. Correct है? इसके कारण into, इसके कारण into, इसके कारण into. प्रज्वल out किसका मिला बच्चा? Guys, please take your time and see the direction once again. I'm getting really pissed off right now. How can you say into the plane? Only one or two of you are getting problem here. So try to do it right now. Guys, how many of you are having problem with these directions? Click yes. How many of you are having problem with this direction? Don't click no. Just click yes if you have any problem. Chetan, write your approach in the chat box. How do you find direction of magnetic field line because of a semicircular wire? And Vijay Lakshmi, you tell me, how do you find direction of magnetic field line because of semi-infinite wire? कैसे करते हो? Semicircular wire. Direct your right hand fingers along the direction of current. Curl करो ऐसा. Curl your right hand fingers along the direction of current. Curl करके देखो. If you curl it, where in which direction your thumb will be like going? If this is the fingers, in which direction the thumb will go into? वही तो लिखा मैंने. See, every time I'm not going to do this. Believe me guys, मैंने already बहुत सारा कराया है आपको direction का. Now you have to do it. अगर गलत हो रहा है, verify yourself, struggle with it, find out a way. Every time I can't give this much of time, ठीक है? नहीं तो हर बार एक ना एक कोई होगा जो बोलेगा out है. वो उंगली उठा देगा out. Now we have to go to DRS. देखो TV screen पे correct है गलत है. If B1 and B3 will be opposite, अंकित चेक करो फिर खुद से, थर्ड अंपायर यहाँ कोई है ही नहीं, मुझी को करना पड़ेगा सर. Here also what will happen? The circle will be in this way, right? It will go into the plane here. कर्ल करो रे ऐसा. For this B3 कर्ल किया तो into the, नीचे गया ना इधर O के पास. आगे बढ़ते हैं. B1 का वैल्यू बोलो बच्चा लोग. म्यू नॉट आई डिवाइडेड बाई 4 r. ठीक है, हाँ बहुत बढ़िया. B2 का वैल्यू म्यू नॉट आई बाई 4r. B3 म्यू नॉट आई बाई 4 r. What will be the net magnetic field? So yeah, mu naught I by 4r into 2 plus 1 by pi. This is the answer. Yes, Chirag, correct hai. Tell me the answer for this one. Tell me the answer for this one. B at O. पाई नहीं होगा बच्चा. करेक्ट है, नो प्रॉब्लम, करेक्ट है विशु. Yeah, direction will be into the plane only, but what will be the magnitude? First element, second element, third element. B1 will be 4 pi r. Direction will be into the plane. B2 mu naught I by 4 r. Direction will be into the plane. B3 will be, let do. So BO will be mu naught I by 4 r into 1 plus 1 by 5. This is the answer. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now let me ask you थोड़ा सा अच्छा सवाल. Let us see how many of you can solve this. Not that tough, but simple visualization. First, let me give you simpler one. Let's say this is one of the direction of current. Circle बन जा भाई. Yeah. So this distance is and this distance दोनों ही same है. Same नहीं लग रहा है क्या? छोटा हो गया. बड़ा बनाते हैं इसको यहां से शिफ्ट करो. Like this. All right. Here direction is into the plane. Here direction is into the plane. There is a point P at a distance of, so I'm giving this 0, A. This is A, this is A. Current is I, current is. Find B at P. Find B at P. Let me know if you need any other information, but this is it. यही है कहानी हमारे पास. This is y axis. This is x axis. Tell me the answer. ना, गणेश बहुत ही गंदा जवाब है. Very bad. Don't give me the magnitude. मुझे डायरेक्शन भी चाहिए. Without finding the direction, you cannot find the magnitude, बच्चा, for sure. Without finding the direction, you cannot find the direction. You cannot find the magnitude. Saksha, what is the meaning of cross encircled? What is the meaning of cross encircled? Achha guys, did you understand this? What is the meaning of this part? That means there is a current carrying wire which is perpendicular to this plane and the direction of current is into the plane. Same way, there is a current carrying wire which is perpendicular to this plane which is going into the plane. तो wire कुछ ऐसा है अंदर जाता हुआ. If you see that wire from cross section part, you'll get this only, na, this diagram only. Current is not in this plane. ये सब current नहीं है. Current is going into the plane. And long wire, not semi-infinite, long wire. We don't know the end of any of it. ठीक है, आंसर करो. Out of the plane magnetic field? No, not at all. किसी का करेक्ट नहीं है. No one has got the correct answer. No one, none of you. I think few of you got the correct answer. Yeah, Vishrut, I think करेक्ट है. आई थिंक डायरेक्शन तुम्हारा सही है. किसी और एक दो लोगों ने सही किया था. कुशल, आई थिंक डायरेक्शन इज करेक्ट फॉर यू. What will be the net magnetic field line? What will be the direction of net magnetic field lines? First of all, answer this. What will be the direction of net magnetic field lines? Inward, outward? No, not at all. No Shreya, no Bhumika. शुरू करते हैं यार. I can feel most of you are giving some random answers. Yes, Darshan, not Darshan. Kalpa, correct है. Yes, Vinayaka, correct. देखो बच्चा, if I consider this is element 1, ध्यान से देखना. See, there are so many ways to understand a question. ठीक है? If I ask you to find the direction of magnetic field lines because of the first element, तो क्या तरीका बताया था मैंने आपको कि direct your right hand fingers along the direction of current and then curl it. That curling will tell you the direction of magnetic field lines. तो curl करोगे तो कैसा मिलेगा? ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा. And the circle will be what? Concentric at this point. So it should pass through this. ध्यान से देखो. It should pass through this and the circle will look like this because this should be the radius. This should be the radius. So circle will look like this. So what will be the direction? Direction will be somewhere like this. What is the easier method? इससे भी आसान क्या हो सकता है? देखो, we know that magnetic field, the value of magnetic field or direction of magnetic field is find out by finding dl cross r. है ना? dl cross r. What is the direction of dl, बच्चा लोग? Tell me. What is the direction of dl? dl is into the plane. r is, this one is the r. So dl cross r, dl cross r. अच्छा, मैंने उल्टा किया था, एक्चुअली इधर होगा dl cross r. So the finger should be into the plane and the palm should be facing towards r. Thumb will be in this direction. Or you can say dl cross r should be perpendicular to dl and r as well. dl cross r, it should be perpendicular to dl and r as well. इसका देख, perpendicular to r will be what? This direction. Pratish is saying that it should be outward. If this direction of this will be outward, don't you think that will be anti-parallel to dl? So those who are saying direction can be into the plane or out of the plane, just think about it. If you are saying direction of magnetic field will be into the plane, then don't you think the B will be parallel to DL in that case because DL is also into the plane? समझ में आ रही बात? You cannot get a magnetic field line which will be parallel to DL. That means that is incorrect. If you are saying out of the plane, then also I'll say the angle between DL and B will be 180. That is not possible. Angle between DL and B should be 90 degree. This is the property of cross product, right? So the magnetic field line because of this will be here. So B1 ऐसा कुछ रहेगा. What about B2? Draw R vector here. यहाँ पे R बनाएंगे, ठीक है? So this is the R for this one. What should be the direction of this B2? It should be perpendicular to this one. So draw a perpendicular here. So let me erase this part और रहने देता हूं मैं. This B2 will look like this. Guys, click yes if you have understood the directions of B1 and B2. Guys, click yes if you have understood the direction of B1 and B2. B should be perpendicular to R and DL also. So B cannot be into the plane or out of the plane. It is perpendicular to this will be what? Perpendicular to this is what? Either this direction or this direction. ठीक है? This will not be there because DL cross R. तो DL को अंदर रखो. Finger, direct your finger into the plane. सब लोग करो बच्चा लोग. Direct your finger into the plane. नीचे की ओर ऐसे करो, ऐसे. ठीक है? In such a way that palm should be facing towards R. Finger is into the plane. This is the palm. So what will be the direction of thumb? This will be the thumb direction. Same goes for this one. Direct your right hand fingers into the plane. Palm should be towards R vector. So thumb will be in this direction. Thumb will not be in this direction, guys. Thumb will be in this direction. गलत है. ऐसे करेंगे. Thumb will not be in this direction. This is wrong. Sorry, guys. This is wrong. Second part is wrong. Correct. B cross R. ऐसे करो. B cross R. है ना? So palm, thumb, sorry, finger should be here and palm should be in this direction. So this will be the direction of thumb, right? तो यहाँ पे B2 का ये direction मिलेगा. Let me move this P point here. So it should be perpendicular to this one. Let me draw that. ये कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. Should not match coincide with this one. So this will be B2 vector. This will be perpendicular to this. This will be perpendicular to this. इस तरीके से आंसर मिलेगा आपको. These two lines are not coinciding. It's not mandatory. However, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा because angle is 45-45. But if these angles are different, they might not coincide. They might not be along the same line. They'll be different. ठीक है. अब बताओ, how will you find the net? So those who have given y-axis as the answer, they have got the wrong answer. So answer is along positive x-axis. Why? Because B1 and B2, what is the magnitude of B1 and B2, guys? Tell me what is the magnitude of B1 and B2? B1 का वैल्यू बोलो क्या होगा? Yes, Ganesh, I think you were right. Correct. Tell me what is the magnitude of B1? So you'll write mu naught I by 2 pi d because this is long, right? This is a long wire. So mu naught I by 2 pi d. What is the distance of this point from this current carrying wire? What is the distance of this point from this current carrying wire? Tell me, guys. Tell me the answer. 2 pi into d is what? Square root of, sorry, 2 square root a, right? So, sorry, square root of 2a. Or root 2a, exactly. Root 2a. So this is the answer for B1. What will be the value of B2? You can write this as mu naught I divided by 2 root 2 pi into a. B2 will also have the same value because current is same. Distance of the point from the current carrying wire is same. So you'll get the same answer. So this direction, this magnitude, both of them are same. What are the angles that they are going to subtend, guys? If this is y-axis, and what is this angle, bacha log bolo? What is this angle? Can I say this is 45 degree? This is 45 degree. Draw a 45 degree angle. This is 45. Let me consider this is, if this is 45, this is 90. This will also be 45. So you 45. B1 is perpendicular to this. So B1 is perpendicular to this. So this is 45. This is 90 pura. So can I say this is also 45? So I don't need now this one. So I'll erase this. Angle for B1 is now known to us. What about B2 इसका? तो draw a line which is what? Making an, if this is 45, this will also be 45. So B2 is parallel to B1. Sorry, this line is what? Parallel to B1. B2 is perpendicular to this. So B2 will be perpendicular to B1 here. So this is B2 and this angle is 45. Can I say their y components will get cancelled? The y component of B2, y component of B1, they are having the same magnitude, but they are in opposite directions. So they'll cancel. Their x component will get added. So you can add their x component, or you can directly say there are two vectors and the angle between them is 90 degree. So net magnetic field will be equal to square root of B1 square plus B2 square. Correct answer will be square root 2 into mu naught I divided by 2 root 2 pi into A. So 2 root 2 cancel. So correct answer is what? Mu naught I by 2 pi A. And what is the direction? Along x. So I can write this I cap. Okay? So direction of magnetic field is what? Along I cap. The positive x-axis. So this is the answer for this question. ठीक है बच्चा लोग. So let me give you one assignment. Neat guys, आपको मन है तो solve कर लेना. Just for the sake of practice. JEE guys, you should attempt this. Same diagram. Only difference is now I am asking you find out the magnetic field at this point Q. This is point Q. Into the plane, I, two currents I. This point Q is A comma A. This is A comma 0. This is 0 comma A. Find B at Q. So neat guys, if you want to attempt this, you can attempt this, no problem. Neat guys, if you want to like skip this part, you can skip this. Just think about the directions. Baki calculation, neat guys, you can leave it. Okay? Now let us move on to some applications of Ampere's law. Okay? Applications of Ampere's law. मैंने लिखा ना -a,0. All right, कुछ तो हो रहा है मुझे शाम में. This is -a,0. This is a,0. All right, ठीक है? खुश? Very good. Ampere's law. तो अब हम बात करेंगे applications of Ampere's law की. So we have studied what will be the magnetic field at an inside point of uniform current carrying cylindrical wire, at the surface of uniform current carrying cylindrical wire, at an outside point of a current carrying cylindrical wire. ठीक है? चलिए तो शुरू करते हैं फिर हम. इसमें वो तो पढ़ लिया था. Now if I ask you, if this is a current carrying wire, ठीक है? Like this is a cylindrical wire again I'm taking. This is the center of it. Question is, if current density of the wire is given by J is equal to AR square. J is equal to AR square. Find the magnetic field at point P. ठीक है? This is point P. The radius of this is given to us as capital R. All right? Radius of this is capital R. And this distance is given to us as 2r/3. All right? ये है हमारा सवाल. This is point O. and direction of current is into the plane. Or you can consider J also, no problem. So if the current density of the wire, this is what a cylindrical wire है, क्या है बच्चा लोग? Cylindrical wire, and I have shown you the cross section of that cylindrical wire. If you see the cross section of cylindrical wire, you'll get the circle, and the current flowing through this is I, and the current density is, let's say, J is equal to AR square. That means uniform current is not flowing through this. If you change the value of R, current density is changing. Find out what is the magnetic field at a point P, which is located at a distance of 2r/3 from the center. बोलो बच्चा लोग, आंसर करो जल्दी से. Use Ampere's law to get the answer. ठीक है? I hope most of you will get the answer because this is not that tough. What is the formula for Ampere's circuital law, बच्चा? Just for the reference. What is the formula for Ampere's circuital law? बोलो बच्चा लोग. ACL क्या होता है? Line integral of B dot DL. Line integral of B dot DL will be equal to mu naught into net current crossing that loop. So this is the formula that you have to use to get the answer. चलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी से आंसर करो इसका. What you have to do, you have to draw a loop which should be passing through the point at which you have to find the magnetic field. So draw a loop, and that loop should be drawn in such a way that integral B dot DL should be easy to find. Integral B dot DL should be easy to find. So what will be the shape of the loop, guys? Tell me. What will be the shape of the loop? Circle. Very good. What will the shape of the loop? It should be the circle. From where it should pass? It should pass through the point P. So this will be the circle I'm talking about. Correct hai? So this circle should look like this. अब तो आंसर कर लो फिर. And you can find the, how do you find the direction of DL, guys? Tell me, how do you find the direction of DL? Direction of DL will be along the direction of assigned loop. And how do you find the direction of loop? You can assign any direction as the direction of loop. That is the assignment. You can assign clockwise, anti-clockwise, whatever it is. Okay? Just stick with that convention throughout the problem. So you can consider clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction as the assigned loop direction. Then tangential directions will be the DL directions. Find out B dot DL. Find out mu naught into I net. Then get the answer. Achha, for Gajni log, what is the value of J? What is the definition for J? Current density. What is current density? Gajni log, answer karo. What is current density? Now no one will answer, sir, I am not Gajni. Everybody like behave like a Gajni. Achha, kya hai? Current per unit area. Very good. So current per unit area is what? Current density. बहुत बढ़िया. So here density is not constant. You are not Gajni. Very good. If you are not Gajni. So current density is what? Not constant. So थोड़ा अच्छे से solve करना. Main thing here is you have to find the net current passing through that loop. If you get that answer, you'll get. If you'll get that value, you'll get the answer. आराम से. चलो any answers, guys? किसी को आंसर आया कुछ? Just tell me the answer for I net only. गणेश ने आंसर किया है. देखते हैं बच्चा. Mu naught 2AR cube by 27. देखते हैं. No, Chinmay, I don't think so. Alright, guys. देखो, let me solve this. Copy and then paste it here. Pasted. थोड़ा बड़ा बनाएंगे. Let me erase these things. Now let me erase this part also, this part also, this part also. What will I do, guys, here? In this case, if current density is like variable, I have to find what is the net current that is passing through this. J is known to us. So current through any cross section will be equal to J into area of that cross section. But since area of this cross section is like pi small r square or I into radius square, but J at all these sections are not same. So what will I assume? I will assume a region, I will consider a region where current density is constant. Since current density depends on R, so I'll assume a region where R is not changing. So for that, I'll assume a single or a strip, a ring strip. तो एक छोटा सा हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, एक स्ट्रिप अज्यूम करेंगे. So this is the ring I am talking about. ठीक है बच्चा लोग. Now let me consider the radius of this is small r and thickness of this is dr. And this is that shaded portion I am talking about. बोलो बच्चा लोग, what will be the current that will pass through that small elemental strip? I'll say current density into area dA. Current density into area dA. Current density is AR square. Tell me what is the dA value here? So 2 into pi into R into dr. Because when you cut this, you'll get a rectangular strip. Okay? When you cut this, what you'll get? You'll get a rectangular strip. And what will be the area of this cross section? So circumference into thickness. So 2 pi R into dr. So di will be 2 pi R cube A into dr. और इसको थोड़ा ऐसे लिखते हैं 2 pi A R cube dr. ये हुआ di का वैल्यू. I have to find what is the current enclosed in this part. So I have to integrate this one. Current through this is given to us. So I have to find current through all such strips extended to R by 3. So 0 to I. Then here is 0 to. What will be the limit, guys? For tell me what will be the limit for small r, capital R or 2R by 3? It will be 2R by 3 because I have to find current through only this area, only through this current, this section, not pura. So 2R by 3. So this is what net current, I net. Integrate this. 2 is constant, pi is constant, A is constant. R cube ka integration is R to the power 4 divided by 4. Limit is from 0 to 2R by 3. So I net value is given to us as pi A by 2 into R to the power 4. So 16 R to the power 4 divided by 27, 81. All right, minus 0. So now I'm going to get 8 pi A into R to the power 4 divided by 81 is the net current. And mu naught. Now I'm going to use ACL. So I'll write B into DL into, I'm considering angle 0 wala part. The cos of 0 will be equal to mu naught 8 pi A R to the power 4 divided by 81. ठीक है? So now B will be equal to 8 और ऐसे लिखता हूं 8 mu naught pi A into R to the power 4 divided by 81 into. What will be the integration DL? 2 into pi into R. Radius is what? 2R by 3. Solve करेंगे इसको. So this will give us 27. They'll get cancelled. This will give us 2. Pi and pi get cancelled. So I'll get 2 mu naught A R to the power 4 divided by, or R to the power 4 will be R to the power 3 only, divided by 27. कितने लोग का ये करेक्ट आंसर आया? यस, अजय ब्रैक्स, कुछ थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया. Guys, did you understand this part? गणेश तेरा आ गया था, वेरी गुड बच्चा, वेरी गुड. समृद्धा आ गया तुम्हारा आंसर. योर आंसर इज 65 by 2592. How is your answer correct? Guys, did you understand this part? Click yes if you have understood this. You can get this answer. There has been one instant when the same question has been asked. Only difference was from 0 to r by 2. वो सिर्फ r by 2 का था, वो 2r by 3 नहीं था. You have taken r by 3. Why? And Samruddha, by the way, where were you? You were absent from so many days. You were not attending the classes. So guys, let us end our class here only. Okay? So let us meet on Monday. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll continue with the boards portion. And Wednesday, Thursday, we are going to continue with the NEET portions and the JEE portions, the common part of NEET and JEE. And Saturday will be what? Common, like for only for JEE. Saturday will be JEE class. So thank you guys. Thank you for attending the class. Stay safe, stay healthy. Enjoy, Muddy. Have a good night.